Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cloud DevOps Era. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to create Windows-based EC2 instance and connect to the Windows EC2 instance. So let's go to AWS console. This is my AWS console. Search here EC2. Click on launch instance. Till now we have worked on creating Linux-based EC2 instance, which is Ubuntu. So now let's create Windows-based EC2 instance in this demo. Now here we have to provide name of the EC2 instance. Now go down. Here we have to select Windows-based AMI. So you can see here we have different options. Based on our requirement, we can select Windows Server. Currently I am going with the Windows Server 2025 base, which is latest one. Now go down. Select the instance type. Let's create a new key pair for Windows. Let's click on create key pair. It will download .pem file. Now coming to the network settings, I'm going to create a security group which allows RDP traffic from anywhere. It helps us to connect to our EC2 instance. And coming to the configuration storage part, currently it is going to create 30 GB of memory. Leave the default settings as it is. Click on launch instance. Go to instances. Now here we can see our instance is up and running. Let's wait for a while to get the test check. So initialization part was completed and status check was 3/3 checks passed. So now let's connect our Windows VM. So these are the details of the Windows VM: instance ID, public IP and private IP. Now here we can see we have additional details. So this is the keypad that we have created while launching EC2 instance. So to connect our EC2 instance, we generally open port number 22 for SSH connection for Linux based VMs. As this is Windows based VMs, we have to open RDP port, which is 3389. Here we can see under this security section. So to connect our Windows VM, we have to copy the public IP. Now click on connect. I'll open this in another tab. Now click on RDP client. Search here RDP. Provide public IP. Now here we have to provide, here we can see we have username as administrator. Now click on connect. So now here we can see it is asking password to connect our Windows VM. So to give the password, we have to click on get password. Here we have to upload that PEM file. So now this is the PEM file content. Now let's click on decrypt password. So this is the password that we have got from that PEM file. Copy this password, paste it over here. Click on OK. So click on yes. We are going to connect to our Windows EC2 instance. it will take some time to set up the process. So we are in our Windows EC2 instance. So this is how we can create Windows based EC2 instance and connect to our Windows EC2 instance. So that's all for this demo. Thanks for watching.